Does pitch accent matter? Yes, it does. It matters. I know some people say otherwise, and I kinda understand why they say that. So in this video, I'll try to tell you how important it is to learn pitch accent. After watching this video, whether pitch accent matters to you or not, whether you learn pitch accent or not, I'll leave that to you to decide. First of all, what's the equivalent of the Japanese pitch accent in the English language? Let's think about that. What do you think it would be? It would be stress. More specifically, it would be syllable stress. Stressed syllables are more emphasized than unstressed syllables. Banana. Banana. Same thing with Japanese. Accented syllables are more emphasized than unaccented syllables. Banana. Banana. The only difference is how they are emphasized. Now, we established that the equivalent of pitch accent in English is syllable stress. And if you were teaching English to someone learning it as a second language or foreign language, what would you say to them? Would you say, yeah, you better learn syllable stress because it's important for communication? Or would you rather say, nah, learning syllable stress is a waste of time? What would you say to them? As someone who learned English as a foreign language, I can think of several reasons why you might want to learn syllable stress. First, words can mean different things depending on where to place stress. For example, desert and dessert are confusing because if you stress the first syllable, it means this. And if you stress the second syllable, it means this. They are completely different stuff. Same thing with Japanese. Words can mean different things depending on where to place accent. For example, hashi and hashi are confusing because if you place accent on the first syllable, it means this. And if you place accent on the second syllable, it means this. They are completely different stuff. So this is the first reason why you might want to learn pitch accent. But there's only a limited number of these homonyms, so let's say these are negligible. But still, placing stress or accent on a correct syllable is very important for clear communication, isn't it? For example, apao. Apao. Did you eat an apao? What did I say? I said apple. But placed stress on the second syllable. Obviously, this is an extreme case. Most people wouldn't mispronounce apple like that, because it is a very basic word. But you get my point, right? Placing stress on a correct syllable is crucial for clear communication. Same thing with Japanese. For example, shinsatsu. There's no accent for this word. But if you place accent on the first syllable and say, shinsatsu kudasai. Shinsatsu kudasai. Most people wouldn't understand you, or some people might even think, what? You want me to be kind to you? Because it sounds like shinsetsu. Placing accent on a wrong syllable may cause miscommunication. This is the second reason why you might want to learn pitch accent. But still, you could argue, nah, even if you mispronounce words like that, people will understand you from context of conversations. And that's true. Context is very important for communication, and even if you mispronounce words, people may still understand you from context that's a valid point. So here's my final reason why you might want to learn pitch accent. And this is probably the most important reason for a lot of people. You just want to sound like a native speaker. That's why. This may sound ridiculous, but be honest. You want to sound like a native speaker now? As far as I know, 100% of people who are learning a foreign language want to speak like a native speaker. As far as I know. It's true. I don't know how many times I thought like, if only I spent my childhood in an English-speaking country. I don't know how many times I thought about that. So, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you should learn pitch accent. I don't think I need to state the obvious, but learning pitch accent will get you closer to native speakers' pronunciation. But this is the exact same reason why you may not need to learn pitch accent. Now, the way people learn a foreign language is diverse. You don't need to speak like a native speaker, obviously. You may not even need speaking skills. You may just need reading comprehension skills because you just want to read manga in Japanese. Or you may just need listening comprehension skills because you just want to watch some anime in Japanese. Or if you're trying to learn Japanese in a balanced manner, like speaking, listening, writing, reading at the same time, the priority to learn pitch accent is pretty low. Even though learning pitch accent is not that complicated. Trust me, it's not that hard. I feel like many people are misunderstanding what learning pitch accent actually means. Anyways, I laid out why you might want to learn pitch accent and why you may not need to learn pitch accent. What do you think? Let me know in the comment. In case you decided to learn pitch accent, don't forget to watch my pitch accent video series. Alright? Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.